Hi everyone and welcome to Evolution Ecovillage. Today we are going to chat a little bit about Chonta. So Chonta is a fruit from the Amazon rainforest, and we have many Chonta trees planted in Evolution Ecovillage. Here you can see one just behind me. So it's a palm tree, as you can see, and it produces a fatty fruit that needs to be cooked. It's unedible when it's raw, so it's important to cook it before consuming it. I'm gonna show you the tree a little bit closer so you can see how it looks like. So as you can see, we have many Chonta trees planted here in Evolution Ecovillage. They're quite tall and they produce a lot of fruit when it's Chonta season. So here is the palm tree, and this is the fruit here. So as you can see, it has a red or orange color, but other types of Chonta has more like a yellowish color. And here you can see the trunk. It's quite spiky, so you need to be careful when you are walking or working around Chonta trees. And usually we harvest the fruit with a long pole because they are quite high on the trees, so it's impossible to reach them by hand. So usually we use a long pole and we harvest them. So let's talk a little bit about how to use the Chonta once you harvested them. So here I will show you the raw Chonta. This is how it looks like when you harvest it from the tree. And the easiest way to eat it is just to boil it in water. It takes quite a long time to cook them. It takes more time than cooking potatoes or rice, for instance. Usually I cook them for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And this is a bowl of Chonta, cooked Chonta. So like this it's edible. And usually the way people eat it is they just peel it. Although you can eat the peel too, but it's not so tasty. So you need a knife to peel it, and here inside you can see the flesh, the edible flesh, Chonta flesh that you can eat. It's very tasty, I would say. It's greasy and oily and starchy at the same time. So this is how it looks like, and inside you have the seed. Here is the seed, the Chonta seed. You can also eat the seed, or you can plant it and grow other trees. So another thing you can make from Chonta is Chonta hummus. I just prepared some. So the way I did it is that I cooked the Chonta and then I put them in a blender. Of course, first I peeled them and then I removed the seeds, and I put them in a blender and I blend them together with some coconut meat and some spices like curry powder and curcuma powder. And I blend them all together, I mix them, and it became like a dipping sauce. It is perfect to dip some vegetables and eat it. And another thing you can make from Chonta is called chicha. This is chicha. It's very common here in Ecuador, especially in this area where we live. So chicha is basically fermented Chonta. It's a drink. The way I did this is that I boiled the Chonta and I blended it, and then I left it for a couple of days to ferment, and it became like this. So it's very common here. Here where we live, there are many indigenous tribes. They are called Shuar, and they make this chicha very often. They really like to drink it in parties and celebrations. So yeah, it's very tasty actually. And another important thing is that Chonta is a fatty fruit. So when you cook it or when you boil it in water, and then when you remove the fruit from the water will stay very oily and very greasy, and actually you can use this water as an oil substitute to substitute oil, so you can put this water into dishes, or you can even use this Chonta oil to fry things, so you don't throw away the water after cooking Chonta. Alright, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Chonta. I would love to answer them. And if you got inspired and if you'd like to try this amazing, delicious Chonta fruit, the good news is that we are open to receive new applicants and residents in our community, Evolution Ecovillage. So I'm going to link our website in the description box. You can find more information about our community and about our application process. Alright, so let me know if you'd like to see similar videos in our channel about other trees, other fruit trees we have planted here in Evolution Ecovillage. See you in the next video, and goodbye.